The next one is called as accessing a packages. Accessing a package means if you create a class in a package, how to access that class from a package. There are two ways. If I want to access class from a package, there are two ways. The first approach is called as fully qualified class name. If you want to access a class only for few times, one or two times, you already created a class in a package and you want to access that class for few times. In that case, we are using fully qualified class name. In fully qualified class name, you have to provide the entire package name, the hierarchical structure of the package name, followed by the class name. And each package is separated by a symbol called as dot. Now here, explain here, accessing a package in fully qualified class name done by using package name containing the class and then appending the class name to it using a dot operator. You see here, if I want to access here a class called as color, this color class is actually available in java.awt package. That means color is available in AWT package, AWT package sub-package is available in Java package. So what I have to do, I have to append this package which is having a dot operator in between and then dot class name. This is called as fully qualified class name. If you are using classes for a limited time, then this is the best technique. But if you are using classes for many times, or this hierarchical structure of this package is too large, or I am using multiple classes from the same package, in that case the fully qualified class name is not good for the programmer. Then we are using a statement called as import statement. Import means we can access the class directly by specifying the package name. Means every time we are not using the package name, we are just calling the class name. This makes our program more readable, easy to understand. How to import a class from a package? For that one, we have to use the syntax called as import package1 dot package2 dot package3 dot class name. Here, whatever you put in the rectangle brackets are called as optional part. Whenever you use import statement, our compilers try to search for a particular class in this package. Whatever the package you mentioned here, in that package, we try to search for that class. So here, package 1 is the name for the top level package. In that package 1, we have one more package called as package 2. In that package 2, we have one more package called as package 3. In package 3, we have a class called as class name. Now, this is one example here. Here, the hierarchical structure may be vary. Means I have number of packages. In that package, I have a class. That is possible here. At the end, we have to explicitly mention the class name. That is the one technique we apply in the import statement. Now, this is one example given here. How to call a class called as my class. If I want to access my class, which is available in the second package, and that second package is available in the first package, then I have to write import first package dot second package dot my class. Now this my class is available to my program. Now I can directly call this my class to create an object or to inherit in my program. There is no need to specify this package name. I can directly call just the class name. In fully qualified name, I have to give the package name along with the class name. But here in this case, I have to give just the class name. I am not mentioning any package name. Whenever I use the class, only give the class name. Now, one more variation of this import here is import package name dot star or asterisk symbol. The package name is a hierarchical structure of the package. Maybe package 1 dot package 2 dot package 3 dot package 4, like that hierarchical structure is there. At the end we have to write star. The star indicates all the classes which is available in that package. If I want to call a particular class, I have to write like this way. If I want to call multiple classes from the same package, I have to write like this way. So sometimes whenever you use the star, the compilers have an ambiguity sometimes, because you are calling a class from multiple packages and some classes are duplicated, means two packages contain the same class name. In that case, whenever you use the star, your program has a confusion there, your compiler has a confusion from which package it has to call that class. To overcome such problems, most of the times the programmer return the class name along with the package name in the import statement. But if you have a guarantee that there is no class is duplicated, in that case we are using star. This import statement used when there are many references to a particular package or package name is long and unwieldy. As I already mentioned, this import statement is used when we have a very lengthy package hierarchical structure like this way, or we are using multiple classes from the package.